Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions, where we're all about making remote work easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. Whether you're new to working from home or have been doing it for a while, we're here to help you maximize your productivity, stay motivated, and create a balanced work-life routine. Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on TikTok without ever showing my face. Making money on TikTok without revealing your identity might sound like an impossibility, but trust me, it's a feasible option that many are opting for. And who can blame them? The thought of earning money online without having to be on camera can be incredibly appealing to those who are introverted or just prefer to keep their personal lives private. One of the biggest misconceptions about social media platforms like TikTok is that you need to be on camera to succeed. I mean, think about it. Instagram influencers, YouTube vloggers, and TikTok creators all seem to be in the spotlight, sharing their lives with the world. But what about those who are camera shy or just not comfortable with being in the public eye? Don't they deserve a chance to succeed on these platforms as well? The truth is, many of us are held back by the fear of being judged, embarrassed, or even bullied online. We let our fear of being on camera dictate our ability to take risks and pursue opportunities that could change our lives. But what if I told you that there are ways to succeed on TikTok without ever having to show your face? Let's face it, being camera shy or introverted doesn't mean you're not creative or talented. You might have a unique voice, a flair for writing, or a talent for animation. And these skills can be leveraged to create engaging content that resonates with audiences worldwide. Many creators are already doing this, and they're killing it on TikTok. They're creating animations, voiceovers, and curated videos that showcase their talents without ever revealing their identities. And believe me, it's working. They're building massive followings, generating significant income, and living their best lives. One of the most effective ways to earn money on TikTok without being on camera is through animations. Yes, you read that right, animations. With the rise of animation software and apps, it's never been easier to create high-quality, engaging animations that can be used to tell stories, explain concepts, or even promote products. Another way is through voiceovers. If you have a unique voice or a talent for mimicry, you can create voiceovers for videos, explainers, or even audiobooks. And the best part? You don't need to be on camera to do it. You can record from the comfort of your own home, in your PJs if you want to, and still earn a substantial income. Curated videos are another way to succeed on TikTok without showing your face. You can curate content from other creators, add your own twist, and create something unique and engaging. This way, you're not only promoting other creators, but also earning money while doing so. I recently came across the story of a TikTok creator who made a whopping 6 figures without ever showing their face. And what was their secret? They created engaging animations that told stories, explained concepts, and even promoted products. They built a massive following, and their income soared. The strategies they employed were simple yet effective. They created high-quality content that resonated with their audience, engaged with their followers, and used hashtags to promote their videos. And the result? A significant income that allowed them to live their best lives. So, what's the takeaway from all this? You don't need to be on camera to succeed on TikTok. You can create engaging content through animations, voiceovers, and curated videos, and still earn a significant income. Make sure to comment below on which method you found most interesting. And don't forget to check out another one of my videos for more tips on monetizing social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive while working from home. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and take care.